the reason why, kunyari, medyo na-isolate yung mga iba or they're acting out, whether as bullies or na-expose sila or naging vulnerable as potential victims, dahil they're in an environment na pag iba ka, weird ka. Di ba? Parang
Yes.
merong, parang may judgment kapag iba. Pero actually, imagine, that's something to think about, di ba? Sa ating school environment, sa ating neighborhoods, na to celebrate differences and to celebrate diversity. Kasi, di ba meron din mga studies na nakikita na parang yung sa mga bullies, minsan meron undetected or untreated learning disabilities, difficulties. Tapos dahil feeling nila sila mismo iba, they will overcompensate. Di ba? Parang ayoko makita na weak. So akong uunahan ko. Ano ba yung appropriate ways of influencing your peers, di ba? Kung meron ka talagang need. Parang ayoko na masyadong kulela at Michelle, gusto ko naman, may power ako, di ba? Parang there are appropriate ways to do that, like how to make friends, how to be kind. Being kind to each other gives us social capital ba? Parang the social currency. So, instead of gaining power via aggression, hostility, parang pwede naman sa, di ba? Parang you can belong in a way that doesn't hurt other people. So, wow, teka, parang taking a step back lang kasi, ang laki nung kailangang solusyon. And yet, I can imagine, yun talaga dapat lahat tayo, we work together. Parents, teachers, at saka, siguro important din to assure them, hindi ka naman nawawalan ng justice.
Yes.
Porque
And
hindi
siguro,
in-expel, ganyan.
And siguro, Doc Ana, yung naririnig ko kasi dun sa kagustuhan nila na may accountability, kumbaga may sisisihin, ganun. Parang gusto din nila na dahil nasaktan yung anak nila, may maparusahan. Actually, yung punishment alone doesn't really resolve bullying. Sige, sabihin natin na mapaparusahan itong nambully sa anak mo. Pero possibly, it can temporarily stop yung bullying. Pero it doesn't really address the root cause of the problem. That's why we are really advocating na kailangan school-wide yung ating campaign in terms of awareness. Tapos, we have to really tap our teachers, non-teaching personnel, all essential people sa buhay ng ating mga estudyante. And also the parents. Hindi lang sila kailangan manise or kailangan meron tayong makitang may accountable dito. Kasi when we focus on punishment, we somehow stigmatize yung bully na masama siya. And this can worsen their mental health status na as a start, meron ng problem because as I said, merong mga unresolved issues na ang way lang nila is to do bullying para ma-release yung mga yon. And also, kapag we focus on punishment alone, that can further resentment, yung cycle ng aggression. So it doesn't help us build up yung empathy, yung kindness na gusto natin sa school. I understand, yun yung somehow approach natin before. Pero this is a new, as you said, meron ng cyberbullying. Iba na yung dynamics compared dun sa bullying before. So we need new approach na tutugon dun sa mga bago sa dynamics ng bullying na to. That's why we are really advocating for an inclusive school culture, utilize empathy, focus on solutions, and then help us establish yung talagang mga services na kakailanganin for this. And gaya po na nasabi nyo, tama na hindi lang kailangan teacher, yung accountable, hindi lang school administrator, lahat ng nasa loob na environment na to kung saan nangyayari ang bullying.